JHV presents Automatic Robot Calibration. Industrial robots are widely used thanks to their precision and repeatability. However, with time, tools wear off and collisions can occur. All this leads to worse production quality or even a machine failure. Automatic calibration by JHV ensures the precise tool position at all times during the production, even after a tool replacement or collision, and with no need of assistance. Automatic calibration is ideal for gluing, drilling, cutting, as well as pick and place and many other application types. Short calibration time allows you to use it on a daily basis and keeps constant precision up to 20 micrometers. The system supports SCARA and angular 6-axis robots from all top manufacturers and can handle up to 8 robots at once. The solution can be part of new projects as well as the already delivered machines. In such cases, JHV takes care of the installation and commissioning. The system monitors the work cycles, motor hours and other robots' data. All of it is summed up in a web application. Predictive Maintenance Module Extension uses artificial intelligence to detect anomalies in robots' behavior. It can provide early warning about an upcoming failure or collision. No more collisions due to the bad tool position, time-wasting manual calibration, unnecessary machine downtime. Automatic calibration increases quality and productivity, saves time of technicians, and keeps the precise tool position over time.